My bro, afternoon. You live around here, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Amazing. Joe, please. I'm looking for number 8. How would do? Why they could do me? They say I should come home straight and I have not seen it.
Okay, yeah. The woman carrying children go barb their hair yesterday. So as he carry the children go barb their hair, one other woman they sell plantain for them. Then this one, he did here they sell canopy. He bring the children, they come now. Now the man where they barb their hair say, why we go barb wrong hair for him Pekin? So 2 of the children can say they don't go that salon again. So now when they go this other side, they are cutting. The cut where they take time from windows, so they not clean well. So one of the people saying go wash them. Mama say if you wash them, you go to wash the other children their bed sheet.
I'm going to number 8. No, as you do know the.
Yo, wait, man. Let me finish. Man, I explain to you.
Sorry.
So their light go face the transformer.
Okay.
So one of the boy they use the earpiece. He call eye well, so the light they shake.
Sorry, my bro. I'm going to number 8. How do?
Now they explain.
Is it like this, or like this, or like this?
If you see water will go like this, if water they go like this, they dig well, make the water they enter the well. Yeah! Now the well where they dig, make water they enter. The children they tie pipe put.
So how do?
Yes, the guy where they pack sand for them, so when he pack sand, he don't use it. Take mold cement. As he mold the cement and sand for this other side, the boy will get the wheelbarrow. Some of them they play ball. The man will be say that one where they say they sell plantain for them. So now them, now they arrange all of them together with waterfly.
Okay.
Then the children go dey front. If they do assembly for school now, they can say, oh, which assembly with this one? How they go do assembly? How children will take fail? Because if the children can't go fail for their school, how they want to take come?
I understand.
So,
I get it.
Now,
So, voila. Anyway, so I'm going to 8. How do? Where will I pass to there?
I know you, that is say you don't even hear what they explain. Sis. If you go this side and you see the house with the roof, as the roof and green, some of the children know they like green uniform. So if you wear the uniform green, then you can't come this other side will be red. See, your way man finish the story now. Okay, how many times you want?
My God will punish you. Do you hear me now? Idiot.